Hey now, welcome to FreedomSufferer Cards video number 998. I sit down, man. And today, I sit. Bam, man. We will be getting into this Cobra H.I.S.S, man. This is not going to be fun, man. Tell them, Freedom, man. Yeah, Randy, this one will not be a fun one. I've watched a few builds of this. I've read about it. These Forever Clever releases are usually in the dollar store. I mean, the small ones, some have been okay. Cobra Ferret was pretty good, and the Cobra Fang was decent. But I tell you, these are not easy to put together. The pieces are... half of them don't stick, some are too small, just weren't cut properly. And then how it was put together, I mean, they fall apart very easily. So bear with me, this one is going to take a while. But of course, I will speed it up for everybody. You won't have to go through that madness. Just me. Oh, man, I love that. You've got the Blinkus there, who loves the Lego track that we wrote together in the studio, man. Thank you, Master Jim. Thank you. Oh, man. It was a pleasure, man. We got Grainy watching over things, too, because it's gonna get a little bit dark by the time we're done, I think, man. I hope not, Randy, but we will see. So just sit back. I hope you enjoy this build, a little G.I. Joe fun. Now let's get to assembling. Right, man. Iron Mike Show. Come on, man. Is there a hand? What's a hand doing in his leg?
Brick by brick by brick, build it up brick by brick by brick, build it up brick by brick by brick, build it up brick by brick by brick. Hey now, don't tell me you don't know how to assemble this creation in the right now. Don't tell me you don't know where the next piece goes with the manual shows. Just build it up brick by brick by brick, build it up brick by brick by brick, build it up brick by brick by brick, and put it all together with a click, click, click. Small piece, tall piece, little piece too. Put it all together, that's what you gotta do. Simple as that with the clickety clack. Carefully assembled so the pieces don't crack. It's as simple as that with the clickety clack. Carefully assembled so the pieces don't crack. Just build it up brick by brick by brick. Build it up brick by brick by brick.
All right, man. Oh, man. All we gotta do is this piece over here. Yeah, that piece all the way over there, man. Yeah.
Seems like they forgot a piece. There you go. And see what we could do anyway.
Brick by brick by brick by brick by brick. Build it up brick by brick by brick. Build it up brick by brick by brick by brick by brick. Build it up brick by brick by brick. Build it up brick by brick by brick. Carefully assemble so the pieces don't crack. Gotta be careful so the pieces don't snap. Carefully assemble so the pieces don't crack. Gotta be careful so the pieces don't snap.
What could be impossible without this piece? This piece we're missing. Alright.
Build it up brick by brick by brick. Say build it up brick by brick by brick now.
This will be a
Master
problem.
Jim. 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 This is my kind of music, Master Jim. 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 Oh, man. Look at all the madness, man. Complete mental insanity, Unbelievable,
Down, 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 down.
Ooh, yeah. Master Jim.
Ooh.
Seems to be I'm a variant. I was not created by Lego. I was created by Kupros. Captain, I was created by Kupros.
Dwarfs created by Kubros. Created by Kubros. Created by Kubros. Created by Kubros.
Don't!
Isn't forever clever from G.I. Joe one you did. Cobra thing. Cobra Commander, man.
How's it, Randy?
What's this Kubros all about? Captain. Kupros. I was created by Kupros, Captain.
Kubros. Build it up brick by brick by brick now. Build it up brick by brick by brick now.
Master Jim. Brick is Galadrical. Hey, blue guy, man. What are you doing here, man? Master Jim. I'm watching the other Master Jim assemble Lego. Master Jim. Don't call me that, man. Name is Macho Man Randy Savage. Guy. Name's Blanky. Blankets. Galadrical. Oh, man. Blue.
Found the other wheel piece.
Build it up brick by brick by brick. Build it up brick by brick.
Master Jim. I love this remove all of my arms. All of my arms.
All right, man.
Lego marks on my face.
Crack those pieces into place, man. Crack them. Crack them into place, man. Crack 'em. Master Jim, we should go over the steps again, Master Jim. All right, man. I'll do it this time, man. Hey now, don't tell me you don't know how to assemble this creation in the right now. Don't tell me you don't know where the next piece goes, what the manual shows. Build it up, brick by brick by brick, Hogan. Build it up, brick by brick by brick. Man.
There he is, man.
All together.
Love it.
Small piece to small piece to. Put it all together, that's what you gotta do. Man, pull it up, brick by brick by brick by brick by brick by brick. Man. Build it up, brick.
All right, man. Look at that view. I'm not even gonna bother putting the clean in there, man, because this man creates problems when he's in there, man. Look at him, man. Come on, man. In all honesty, it would probably break it in half.
Well done, Master Jim.
Here we are, man.
That was a lot more fun than I expected. We did find the piece buried in one of these little things, not even in the bag. Ridiculous. In one of these little divots rings.
Divots, man. I know it's crazy, but it was a good time, yeah, and there he is again, yeah. All right, he could join the fun with all the others in the other G.I. Joe kingdom that we have, yeah. All right, now.
Now take good care of yourselves. Take good care of those around you. Do not put anybody in the danger zone. You wouldn't want to.
Steady, man. No, man.
No. 2 episodes to go for 1,000. Hope to see you there. I will see you soon. We